Let us see exercise 4.2 second question. Now see the question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and P, Q are points on AD and BC respectively, such that PQ parallel to DC if PD is equal to 18 cm, BQ is equal to 35 cm and QC is equal to 15 cm. Find the length of AD. Okay, so now see the solution. In our question, what they have given? ABCD is a trapezium. First you have to draw one trapezium. Okay, so I have to make the letter ABCD. So A, B, C, D. The next one, in that trapezium, which two lines are parallel? They have given AB is parallel to DC. So AB line parallel to which line? DC line. So the next one, P, Q are points on AD and BC. That means P is a point on AD line, Q is a point on BC line. So now make the point P is on AD line. This is the AD line. Make the point P is there. Okay, so now P is a point on AD. Next, Q is a point on BC line. Where is the BC line? This is the BC line. Make the point Q is there. Okay, so now Q is a point on BC. The next one, now you can join that points, P point and then Q point. Now you have to join that points. Okay, so now after joining that points, which two lines are parallel? PQ is parallel to DC. Now see here, PQ line is parallel to DC. Next, some measurements they have given. PD is equal to 18 cm. So PD, where it is? P to D, that is 18 cm. BQ is equal to 35 cm. So B to Q, that is 35 cm. QC is equal to 15 cm. So the Q to C, that is 15 cm. You need to find out the length of AD. Where is the length of AD? This full length. So this AD length we have divided into two half length. What is it? A to P and P to D. But in our question, they have given the measurement of PD length only. So that is 18 cm. But A to P, that means AP length you don't know. So that let us consider as the AP length as X, because you need to find out the AD length. That means full length. Full length measurement if you need to find out mean this two half length, if you add it only, this full length we will get. Okay, so now in our question, this half length they have given 18 cm, but this half length we don't know. Let us consider as X. So after find outing the X value, if you added this two lengths means we will get the AD length. Okay, so afterwards, now the next step, you are going to join that B point and then D point you have to join. Okay, so B to D, then only you will get the triangle. Okay, so now B to D, just to join that points. So afterwards, this BD line, after joining that points, we have got it BD line. So this BD line intersecting at which line? This line, PQ line. So that intersecting point is, you can consider as a R. Okay, so BD line, B to D, just to join. So after joining that line, BD line intersecting at which line? PQ line. That intersecting point you can consider as a R. Now see this diagram. How many triangles are having here? Here this one triangle, that means B, D, C. This one triangle. Afterwards A, D, B. So this also one triangle. So next you are going to do B, D, C in this triangle. Which two lines are parallel? RQ parallel to DC. In this triangle ADB, in this triangle which two lines are parallel? PR is parallel to AB. Okay, so then using the PPT theorem we are going to do. Now see here, in triangle, first the given thing you have to write in a trapezium ABCD. So what are the given thing? AB parallel to DC and PQ parallel to DC. After the next step, join BD, meet PQ at R. Already we have seen. So the next one, first this triangle you are going to take. So BDC. So in that triangle BDC, which two lines are parallel? This RQ line parallel to DC. So right here in triangle BDC, RQ parallel to DC. So these two lines are parallel mean, using the PPT theorem you know that it divides the sides in the equal ratio. So these two lines are parallel mean this line divides the sides in the equal ratio. Then how we can write? BR divided by RD, because these two lines are parallel. Okay, so BR divided by RD is equal to BQ divided by QC. Okay, so we have written that one. So we know the values for BQ. BQ is equal to, what is it? 35. QC is equal to 15. So is equal to these two values we don't know. So just you have to write BR is equal to RD, that you can consider as the equation 1. Now see the next triangle, this triangle. Okay, so now this triangle we have considered. So the name of the triangle is ADB. So in this triangle, which two lines are parallel? This PR line parallel to AB. Okay, so these two lines are parallel mean this line divides the sides in the equal ratio. Okay, so already you know that using the BPT theorem we have studied. So how we can write? This one, these two lines are parallel in triangle ADB. This which two lines are parallel? PR parallel to AB. So then this line divides the sides in the equal ratio. That means AP divided by PD is equal to PR divided by RD. Here up and down if you start mean here also up and down only you have to write. Okay, so now see the sides, which sides ratios are equal. AP divided by PD is equal to BR divided by RD. Know that in triangle ADB, which two lines are parallel? PR parallel to AB. So by using the BPT theorem, these two lines are parallel mean it divides the sides in the equal ratio. So that is AP divided by PD is equal to PR divided by RD. So now we know the value for AP is equal to X. The divided by PD value is 18. So this value we don't know, just you can keep it. Now that second one you can consider as a equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and equation 2. Now see here, this right hand side, this right hand side, both one is equal or not? Here also BR by RD you have, here also BR by RD. So you know that already. This right hand side, if it is equal mean left hand side also it must be equal only. So here right hand side equal, so you can make it the left hand side also must be equal. So now you can write the left hand side, what is it? X divided by 18 is equal to 35 divided by this left hand side, it is equal. So 35 divided by 15. So now X divided by 18 is equal to, can you cancel it or not? So if you cancel out, it will come. So 5 table you can cancel. So 3 3s are 15 here. Sorry, 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. So now you have got it 7 by 3. So now you know that in between equal to you have. So can you cross multiply? So x into 3, that is 3x is equal to 18 into 7, that if you multiply 126. Now x is equal to, this is a multiplication, while at transposing it will go in division. So 126 divided by 3. So can you cancel it or not? So after cancelling what it will come? 3 1 is 3. 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6. Now you have got it the x value, what is it? X is equal to 42. Now see here, we need to find out this full length only need to find out. So already we know that this half length 18, this half length x value we have considered as x value. Now only you have got it the x value, what is it? 42. So now this half length also we have got it. They have asked to find out this full length. So this half length plus this half length, if you add it, you will get the answer. So that means AD is equal to AP plus PD. So AP plus PD, AP value that we have considered as a x, x plus PD value we know that 18, x value now only you have got it 42, 42 plus 18, so then AD is equal to 60 centimeters. So that one only they have asked to find out. So that is the answer, AD value is 60 centimeter. Thank you.